How to change the subtitle color on Netflix on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the color of subtitles on Netflix. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now it is very easy. Now just you have to make sure to update the Netflix app, and once you update it, open it up. Do not choose any of the profiles you want to log in. On this specific profile page, you have to just tap on the edit button on the top right corner. Once you tap on the edit button, now you have to select a profile on which you want to change the subtitle appearance. So let's say I want to change it for this profile, for example, and you'll find the option that's a subtitle appearance right at first, second, third, and fourth. Make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on subtitle appearance, you can say text size and you can say text color. So if you want to change our subtitle appearance color, currently it's set to white. Just make sure to tap on it. You can set it to red, and you can see the changes at the top. You can set it to blue. You can also set it to cyan. You can also set it to magenta. And you can also set it to green or any other colors that you might want to. In my case, I'll just leave it to white and just tap on the save button at the bottom of the screen. If you messed up with everything, you can also reset those to default by tapping on reset to default button over here. And that's all it takes to change the subtitle color on Netflix on mobile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.